Hello everyone, I am Marva Williams, CEO of Discover Dominica Authority, and I welcome you to the Nature Island of the Caribbean, Dominica. 2024 has been a record-breaking year for us. Dominica has been named number 1 Caribbean island and number 5 globally by
Travel and Leisure
for the third consecutive year. Thia Lafond made history, winning our first Olympic gold medal in the women's triple jump. Tourism surged with a 50% increase in summer arrivals, contributing 33% to our annual total. The World Creole Music Festival boosted October arrivals by 12% over 2023. Our momentum doesn't stop here. Transformative projects are reshaping Dominica. A 6.6-kilometer cable car will soon take visitors to the boiling lake in 20 minutes, turning a 6-hour hike into an easy adventure. The Roseau enhancement project and the marina will drive economic growth. The extended runway at Douglas Charles Airport now accommodates larger aircraft. Come to Dominica. Thrill seekers can hike, snorkel, dive, and enjoy canyoning. Nature lovers can explore trails, waterfalls, and gardens, while wildlife enthusiasts enjoy whale watching and birding. For relaxation, try hot springs, horseback riding, or river drifting. Experience our rich culture at festivals like Carnival and the World Creole Music Festival. The revitalized Caribbean Tourism Organization will be vital for our growth. It will promote unity, support sustainable tourism, and boost economic recovery by increasing global visibility and opportunities in the region. Dominica has it all: adventure, culture, tranquility, beauty. Come, experience it.